Hey everyone, this is GSP Code, and in this video we will discuss the solution for this lab. So simply open this Google Cloud Console in incognito window, then just wait for some time. Then simply click on this I understand. Now I agree and this agree and continue. Now what you have to do is you will get this site panel in this Google Cloud Console. Simply scroll down a little bit, you will get this VPC network. So simply come on to this VPC network and then click on this firewall. And then scroll down a little bit. You have to click on this select all rows and then click on delete. And just wait for some time. Okay, so all the firewall rules are deleted. Now again click on this navigation menu and again come on to this VPC network and then you have to select this VPC networks. Then simply click on this default and then click on this delete VPC network. And then what you have to do is simply type this default in this box and then click on this delete. Now this is going to take at least 1 to 2 minutes, so simply wait for some time. Okay, so after deleting all the VPC networks, what you have to do is come on to this live instruction page, come on to the task number 2, and again we have to create a new VPC network. So simply click on this create VPC network, and for name you will get in the task number 2, simply copy this name without any extra space or without any full stop. Then make sure to select this automatic. And then what you have to do is in this IPv4 firewall rules, click on this select all rows and then scroll down a little bit. You have to enable this API. So simply click on this enable. Just wait for some time. Okay. Now scroll down a little bit and click on this create. Then again just wait for some time. Once your VPC network is created, we are done with the task number 2. Simply click on check my progress for task number 2. You will get the score here. Now for the next task, simply copy this name VM instance and click on this search and paste that name here and then simply open this VM instance in new tab. Then click on this create instance. Close this pop-up and for name, just scroll down a little bit, you will get all the details here. Simply copy this name, paste it here instead of this name. And then for me, the region is US Central 1 and zone is US Central 1C. Then make sure to select this E2 and from here E2 micro. Then click on this create and make sure to select E2 micro here. Then click on create. Again you have to wait for some time and after this we have to create one more instance, so just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the green tick here in this first instance. Now we have to create another instance, so again click on this create instance and for the details of second instance simply scroll down a little bit and you can click on check my progress for this task. Also you will get the green tick here. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. Now let's create the another instance. For the second instance, copy this name and replace this with this name. Now for reason, for me it's US based 1 and for June US based 1 C. And again make sure to select E2 and from here E2 micro. Then simply click on create. Then again just wait for some time and again wait for the green tick. Okay, so we have got the green tick here in the both of the instance. Now simply click on check my progress for this task, and we are done with this lab. So if you have any doubt, simply you can type your doubt in the comment section, or you can join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description. So that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.